Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's a very, very sunny, gorgeous Sunday. I'm out here doing some videos. I just did a bunch of driving around, but now it's time for lunch. I'm going to break out a stove I've not used before. I'll show you what it is right now. Okay, so I'm just kind of tailgating it right now because it's a side of the road campsite. At today's lunch, Texas State Fair chili. And I'm planning on making a bannock to go with it because I'm just totally crazy all about bannock lately. A frying pan, a tinder. Where is it? Where's the stove? Here's the stove right here. I got this in the MI Woodsman's subscriber giveaway. Thank you very much again, John. Awesome guy. Would very much enjoy camping with. So I got the, I just threw the stove in the military Trangia because it does actually fit in here very nicely. So, oops. Now, I believe I did mention that this is the first time I'm using a stove, so maybe a nice height for Trangia burning. Yeah, I like that. But we're gonna put a fire in here. We're not gonna use a Trangia. I just wanted to see how well it would fit. I believe that's the way it goes. So I'm gonna start my fire. I'm gonna use a little Fatwood, also from the MI Woodsman's giveaway, along with this cool leather pouch that he threw in there with it. The little leather cover, the amazing Fatwood. Oh yeah, and a truck coming down the hill. Plus I've got some birch bark and some tinder in case I need it. The hardware today is going to be the stainless steel spork. I have a bowl to mix the bannock. I've got it's been a while since it's been out, but I've got the Snow Peak Kettle 1. Hasn't had an appearance out in a while. With lid, thought I'd bust that out. Bandana, just because it's always good to have one. I just threw in the plate just because it doesn't really weigh a whole lot, so why not? Oh yeah. I get this backpacker grill along for the ride. One of my small ferro rods with scraper. My fire kit. A Mora companion. I didn't bring a whole lot out, so at the LT Wright GNS, which I may not even need, but it never hurts to have a GNS with you. And then my water. You gotta hydrate. So, not a whole lot with me. I got all these, I got these sticks, which I'm gonna bust all these up for smalls. What I'm probably gonna do is, I don't know how much heat this stove is gonna pop out just by itself, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do two fires. I'm going to do a fire in here to boil the water, but then I'm going to do a separate small fire just for the wow, I can't think. Just for the slapped myself in the face. Oh, for the bannock. Dur. So, let's get this fuel worked on, and then we'll get to it. let's get this fatwood process for making fire. See if that's enough. Something to put it on, like a piece of bark or something. Alright. Yeah, I will do that. Let me get my fire going before I get my stove going, because I think it's going to be a little bit longer to get the coals needed for the bannock. And there's our fatwood. Piece of bark. Thank you, John, for the fatwood. Appreciate that. Now, let's hit this sucker with a ferro rod. Okay, so as I previously mentioned, I do have my full fire kit. I noticed that people will comment and say, "Oh, use a match," or "Oh, use lighter," or "Use this," or "Use that." But, gotta mix it up a little bit, man. You gotta try different things, and sometimes the things are just practice. I'm gonna use the little ferro rod here from wow. It really didn't take much time at all, did it? I'm going to dub the Godzilla. I have I actually really like Godzilla movies. Even the cheesy ones. Fuel on there. And I don't need a big fire, I'm just doing a little one, little-ish one for the bannock. There's that. Make sure it's got plenty of airflow. These are going to be for the stove. There's some really dry wood, so nice. There's just something satisfying about building a fire. or as I've been heard it's called, Ranger TV. I love that. Nice. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think it's a pound. I mean, how can you not be happy with a beast like this? Excuse me, Godzilla. Nice. Real nice. It's the little things in life.